Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. As you guys know, I don't wear makeup and I grew up not wearing makeup. Not really into the makeup thing, but in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I groom and fill in my eyebrows, because I do fill it in. So I personally don't go to the salon to get my eyebrows done. I just do them at home. I like saving money, and you know, your girl is too cheap for that. You know what, it's just too much work to fit that into my day and to pay that money, okay? So I'm telling you guys how to do it at home. So let's move these bangs out the way and get started.